Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is prove the following identity where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expression is defined as cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A, that is equal to 2 sec A. So guys, we are going to justify this one, like how left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation, or we need to prove how left hand side of the equation is equal to right side of the equation. And one thing we need to keep in mind that the given angle is an acute angle. So guys, we very well know that an acute angle is the angle which is less than 90 degree. So keeping these things in mind, let us move ahead and try to prove or try to justify the given equation. So the given equation is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A, and that is equal to 2 into sec A. 2 into sec A. This is what being given. Now let us start our calculation from left hand side, and we will prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So left hand side of the equation implies, or left hand side of the equation is given by cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. This is what being given in the left hand side of the equation. So guys, let us solve this particular given equation that we got now. Now I can write, taking 1 plus sin A into cos A is the LCM. So I can write cos A into cos A plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Just guys, as a normal equation, I tried to solve this one. Taking 1 plus sin A into cos A as the LCM, I tried to solve this given equation. Or I can write that is equal to, cos A into cos A is nothing but cos square A plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is nothing but 1 plus sin A to the power 2 upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Let's keep it as it is for the timing, into cos A. Or that is equal to, I can write, we can solve this one, or this is equal to, we can write, or I can write cos square A plus A plus B whole square. Guys, we very well know that 1 plus sin A to the power square is nothing but, I am going to solve this one as per A plus B whole square. So this is A square. A square means 1 square is 1 plus B square is nothing but sin square A plus 2AB. 2 ones are 2 into sin A. Hope guys, till here we are pretty clear. Without any confusion, till here I believe we are pretty clear. I am going very slowly and step by step so that we people can understand very easily and clearly without any further questions or doubts. Now, what we got? We got cos square A plus 1 plus sin to the power 2 sin square A plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now guys, we will see that here you will see that what we got, 1 plus sin square A upon 1 cos square A plus 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A. Now guys, one thing that I want to show you here is that we very well know that what we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, or I can write cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Guys, please pay your attention here. Like we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, or I can write cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So I am going to now utilize this cos square A, what I got as 1 minus sin square A, and I am going to put it here in my given equation in the next step. So instead of cos square A here, I am going to, instead of this cos square A here, I am going to utilize 1 minus sin square A, what we got from here. So instead of cos square A, I am going to write 1 minus sin square A plus 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A. Guys, this is a separate part and this is a separate part, upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Hope guys till here we are pretty clear. Or I can write this equation as, you could see that here this is minus sin square A, here it is plus sin square A. So minus sin square A and plus sin square A, it cancels out, and we are left with 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Hope guys till here we are pretty clear. Or that is equal to 2 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Till here guys, I believe we are very clear without any doubts or questions. Now guys, you could see that what we got in the above step, we got 2 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. This is what we got in the above step. Or I can write, taking 2 as a common, I can move 2 outside, and I can write this one as 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Guys, the picture is going to be clear, is becoming more and more clear to us now. You could see that in the numerator we got 1 plus sin A, and the denominator we have 1 plus sin A. So this one and this one, it cancels out. We are left with 2 upon cos A. Or that is equal to, I can write 2 into 1 upon cos A. Or this one I can write, guys, we very well know that we very well know that 1 upon cos A is nothing but sec A. So this is what is our right hand side of the equation, guys. I believe this is what is being asked in the question to justify, to prove this identity. So let us look into the question once again. What is being asked? Guys, if you look here in the question, you will see that it is being asked cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. This is what is in the right side of the equation, 2 sec A. Now you could see that we reached the final conclusion or the final calculation where we got 2 sec A. Therefore this is equal to right hand side. So we can say that, so left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation. Hence this is proved. Hence this is proved or justified. Hope guys we are very clear with what we did till here. But if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.